Hello everyone, today I present to you synthetic cough syrup, or at least something that tastes like synthetic cough syrup. Tell? You can see the bubbles popping, yes. I created whatever was in Nanny McPhee. And today, in case I was experimenting in the kitchen today, and in case we do not like it, it shall meet a fate. The same as water does. Whenever I have to drink water, it shall meet the same fate as water. Now, and somewhere over there. Bottoms up. But one quick look, it's moving. Give it a minute to settle, and then it'll start moving. Exactly, just like that. Just me this. Okay. For the views, guys, for the views, we shall drink Nanny McPhee cough syrup. Oh, God. That tastes so bad. Oh my goodness, this tastes so bad. I don't know what I put in here. Oh wait, yes I do. Well, I know what one of them was. The other one I just picked something out with some weird lemonade flavor, I think. Or, I don't think it was lemonade. What? It was one of those things you squeeze into a water bottle or something like that. Anyway. Mixed it with my secret ingredient, which I shall never mention because it's secret ingredient, so... Oh, jeez. Louise. Oh gosh. Dude. If you can make this stuff at home, okay, here's what I use. I used a bubbly and, I'll be right back. Okay. The final ingredients, aside from a cherry-flavored bubbly, is a Kroger brand liquid vitamin water berry pomegranate. I'm starting to wonder if that was the taste. Whatever the case is, it tastes exactly like cough syrup. So, I don't know how the heck people can drink this. Oh, I'd rather drink water. Sorry. You have served an honorable life.